Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Jamaican King shares his first photo on Instagram since he was shot. The Montego Bay-based DJ is thankful for life as he uploaded this in-studio photo on Instagram Wednesday. Dancehall artists and fans quickly took to the post to show their support and love for the tough DJ. In August, Jamaican King dropped the single No Emotions, which speaks to his life experiences and interactions with those around him.
Your friend betray you and it cut like razor. Your girl bone you and it shock like tears.
The track was the first released from the artist who was shot and injured back in July. No Emotions has gained over 1.5 million views and is trending at number 43 on YouTube. Now, Fame Frequency returns tomorrow with the Ladies' Night Edition. Now, the virtual event will feature DJ Kevin, DJ Denver, DJ Roderick, and DJ Donovan Dakers, providing a pulsating mix of music ranging from R&B to souls to lovers rock. Ladies' Night Fame Frequency kicks off at 9 o'clock on RETV and 10 o'clock right here on TVJ. Now onto the international scene, where former U.S. President Barack Obama is gearing up to release his first memoir. Obama made the announcement on Instagram earlier this week. The book, titled A Promised Land, seeks to provide an honest account of his presidency and will be released simultaneously in 25 languages. His wife and former First Lady Michelle Obama has published her own book titled Becoming. The book has sold more than 10 million copies since being released. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching. Have a good weekend.